Hello everyone, we are back to a channel after a very long time, and today we are going to see work done on a gas in thermodynamics is equal to minus nRT ln V2 by V1, where V2 is the final volume and V1 is the initial volume. So we'll derive it by the basic definition of work that we study in physics. So as per physics, work done equal to force into displacement, and here displacement we are going to take minus d. Now we are going to change force into the terms of pressure and area. So work done equal to minus P into area into dl. Why we have put this minus sign, we'll also study this. First let us derive it into this form. So as you know, area into length equal to volume. So area into dl will be equal to dv. So work done equal to minus P into dv. Still there is something that need to be done before we integrate on both the sides. This is also dw. So what we need to do before integrating on both the sides is we need to change pressure in another terms. As we know, pv equal to nRT, so pressure equal to nRT upon volume. This will put in our main equation. This become work done, and this become minus nRT upon v into dv. Now we integrate on both the sides. Minus nRT is the constant because temperature is not changing, R is constant, and number of moles is also constant. From V1 to V2, this we know become work done minus nRT, and this become ln x. Dx upon x equal to ln x, so this becomes ln V2 minus ln V1. Using the properties of logarithms, they both are in minus, so we will write work done equal to minus nRT into ln V2 by V1. So there we prove that work done equal to nRT ln V2 by V1. So why we have put the minus sign? As we know, when we do some work in thermodynamics, according to chemistry, the work done is positive, and when the work done is obtained, when we don't do any work, the gas itself do the work, so the work done is negative. So if the gas do the work, that is V2 will be greater than V1. Work done will be negative because the gas is doing the work. V2 will be greater than V1, thus V2 will be greater than V1. This value will be positive and the whole will be negative, and that has to be negative because the work done is obtained. We are not doing the work. When work done is positive, that is work is done by us, we are spending some kind of energy, so V1 is less than V2 because we are doing the work, so we are compressing the gas. So the final, sorry, I wrote opposite. So the final volume has to be less than the initial volume because we are compressing the gas. So V2 will be less than V1. So this whole term of log will be negative. Negative, negative, positive. So work done will be positive. So we'll use this formula with negative sign only, and the negative sign will automatically arrange itself according to the work done that has to be obtained. So thank you for the video and stay tuned.